there is one principle, which is the only principle. There is no principle equal to that principle. That is unparalleled principle. That is Radha Tattva. What are the explanations given by our spiritual scientists regarding Radha Tattva? Adi Jagadguru Shankaracharya, he was worshipper of Nirgun Nirakar Brahma, the impersonal Brahma, and he had propagated the philosophy of impersonal Brahma throughout India. So he is maintaining stoic silence regarding Radha Tattva externally, although he has composed so many verses glorifying Radha Krishna Tattva, but externally he maintains stoic silence. Next comes Ramanujacharya and Madhvacharya. They were the worshippers of Shanta and Dasya Bhav, the mode of neutrality and the mode of servitude. So obviously they have not talked anything about Radha Tattva. Next comes Nimbarkacharya. He tells very emphatically, Radha and Krishna, their Bimba Pratibimba, object and image. Vallabhacharya, he is very forthright. He tells Radha is Brahma itself. He is very forthright. Next comes Gauranga Mahaprabhu. He tells there is a very interesting relationship between Radha and Krishna. The philosophy he espoused during his propagation career, he tells Radha, Krishna, there is a simultaneous presence of Bhed and Abhed. There is similarity between Radha and Krishna, and there is dissimilarity between Radha and Krishna. The similarity and the dissimilarity, the simultaneous presence of similarity and dissimilarity, Bhed and Abhed, is achintya, is beyond the comprehension of human mind. Jagadguru Kripalu Ji Maharaj, the fifth original Jagadguru of this Kali Yuga, he tells his explanation of Radha Tattva, his presentation of Radha Tattva, his depiction of Radha Tattva is very, very clear and very revealing. He tells, Advitiya ek tattva Radha Tattva pradhan, Jako dujo roop hai Swayam Krishna Bhagavan. There is one principle, which is the only principle. There is no principle equal to that principle. That is unparalleled principle. That is Radha Tattva. And Shri Krishna is the other form of Radharani. So Jagadguru Kripalu Ji Maharaj's explanation is unique in the history of Vedic science.